Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name is Des here at Grok Trade on Thursday afternoon, December 1st, 2011. The Dow closed to negative territory, so did the S&P. However, the Nasdaq closed in bullish territory up 0.22%. The Russell's actually dips really hard at the end of the day, closing at the day's low down 0.90%. Banks lagging the broader markets all day long, down 1.34%. Gold down about a third percent, almost a half a percent here on silver. The crude oil down 0.44%, just like silver, and you have the US dollar at break even. What you have here is a big bull flag that popped. However, today we get this doji. You get this doji type formation. If you blow it up, you have what's called a spinning top or a top wave formation. And anytime you get that after an extended leg, for all you who were part of last night's 101 candlestick reversal pattern webinar, we do have an up leg, 1, 2, 3, and 4 after an extended run to the upside, and you get this. You do have a reversal pattern in the makings if you make a lower low. So today's low was 1239 and some change on the SPX daily. If we go lower than 1239, that will be a confirmed drop, and next area of support would be the 20-day moving average, and then this trend line coming down, which you could see would be 1220, but it would be a big drop if we went down to 1220 and to end the week. This could actually happen. The reason this could happen is because tomorrow we get the unemployment rate coming out. The unemployment rate will happen pre-market, and if that comes out bad, expect to see a nice sell-off. If we beat estimates, we could get a pop, but I do see tomorrow's high around 1265 if that's the case. But with all that said, if you really look at the big picture here and you look at these two blue lines, this blue line and this blue line, you are in a symmetrical triangle. You see the moving averages coiling. We do have a bull flag that's making a move to the upside, and if you drop down here looking at the MACD, we are now above the zero line. That is bullish. That is bullish, and we are at the upper part of this trend line. The upper part of this trend line should act as resistance. That's also where the 200-day moving average will intersect. So I cannot say that strong enough. This will be big time resistance that we will have to watch quite closely. Gold closes at 1744 today, and oil closes just a shade under the century mark, or shade under $100. The big news right now is that the markets are focusing on Europe. However, China may be the biggest worry of them all. And China's move earlier this week to keep its economy afloat isn't getting the big headlines that Europe got, but it may be more significant for the world economy. So let's be watching China, let's be watching their banks, and let's really find out where we're at here. I think overall the banks are in significant trouble, and if there is no sunshine coming into the banks, expect these two big dark lines. You can see the two big ones. These are monster. If the banks are in serious trouble, you're going to see a breakdown take place, and we're going to challenge this, and if we break this huge trend line, expect significant droppage below. Alright, so not trying to rain on anybody's parade here, but the banks need to get their act together, and we need to get this economy back on the right track, and debt is not the issue, or is certainly not the solution. Debt is the issue, and we need to do things to rein that in, not just here in the United States, but across the globe. Alright, there it is. Take care, safe trading to you, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.